Almost at the end, we'll shortly mention SVG, which is type of an image. In SVG, you would use alt like any other raster image, despite that SVG is a vector image, but it doesn't matter. And so if the SVG is decorative, use aria hidden true on the SVG root, or just make the alt empty, which is the same like you would use in the normal images. And if the SVG is meaningful, ensure there is a name. For example, like we have here, we have a button with aria label, and on the SVG, which is decorative, we have aria hidden true. So here you can clearly see just decorative. But to the meaningful, you would use role equals img, SVG and role equals img. Yeah, so this would look like like this. So you would have SVG role img, and you would have some aria label. SVG also has a title and desk, which can help script readers when exposed correctly. Make sure to test it, and of course using screenreader. Here also we have an icon only buttons, which you want to give the control an aria label, or some kind of visible text, so the name is clear. Here we gave an aria label. If you go here, yeah, so this is the code with aria hidden true and aria label. If I click here, you have the closed dialog. I will use screenreader quickly.
SVG as img versus inline SVG. Role equals img and title. Web content. You are current closed dialog button group. SVG as img versus inline. Voiceover off.
As you could see, it read the close dialog button. Okay. Image maps and CAPTCHA alternative for HTML image maps, which is img use map with map and aria. Each aria must have some alternative text via alt. Let me check. img use map. Yeah, so you have something like this. Use map, work map, you map it here, and here you have areas, and each of these area has alternative text, so it's very important. The key, of course, you also want to make sure this is accessible via keyboard. Let's see if the example. You can see this rectangle of computer. This is next up. This is a phone, and this is a coffee. Let's use a screen reader for that.
Welcome to VoiceOver. VoiceOver speaks the map and area elements. You are currently on a link. To click this link, press Control, Option, Space. Link, phone. You are currently on a link. To click this link, press Control, Option, Space. Link, cup of coffee. You are currently on a link. To click this link, press Control, Option, Space. VoiceOver off.
So as you could see, it read that is a link because it says href, and it read the alt, the computer phone, and a cup of coffee. Okay, so it works the same way. When it comes to CAPTCHA, you will be not implementing this because you will be using some third-party CAPTCHA like from Google. But CAPTCHA imagines that gate access must also offer some text must also offer some alternatives text which do not rely on just on view. For example, audio CAPTCHA, email verification, or other human verification channels. But you will be not implementing this. But it's also important because often we use this in the forms. Make sure to test it. For example, to place a text needs a challenge which should explain what the test is for and how to use alternative way. Then meeting the both 111 and operable input requirements often means more than just one trick. Okay, and that was it. We'll have a summary of this section in the next recording.